I think many companies are in the future going to look into moving production to in-house, move it home to their own country, in their own building. It's so much easier to have a small format industrial graded machine inside compared to having one of these extremely big machines, and with the fluid you have, they are heavy, you can move it around, they are expensive. Usually when they are that big, it's very hard to learn the machine as well. So with this small format industrial machine like 5.0 Robotics, you get a movable machine, flexible machine. The learning curve is so much easier to have than they have to have a big machine. I think it will be a really good investment for companies that produce stuff in-house and to be able to produce good quality and directly to the end customer, to skip very long lead times on stuff.